Hi everyone, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Well, today's exciting because today I bring you a Ertl 1/18 scale Chevrolet Camaro. This is a 1996 model Chevrolet Camaro in teal, definitely period correct, and I got it from eBay for around $25, which I think is a very good deal. Typically these are in the high 30s, 40s. Sometimes the teal ones actually seem to go for just a little bit more. So we'll see what we got into. The item itself was actually $10 and then like 15 or so shipping, so kind of around there. Yeah, so let's go ahead and cut this tape. Go. Thank you sticker right there. So this was a item that was bought in multiple quantities by the seller. So and they all look to be really good shape. So I hope I got the good one. There was one that had a little bit of damage, so I hope I get the one without the damage. And it wasn't bad damage. Even if I did get that one, I would still be happy. But, you know, let's go ahead and see what we got. I've always been a fan of these 96 Camaros. Some people hate them. They kind of look like catfishes to me, but I do have liked them for a long time. We learned our lesson in the last video with the Mercedes. Put the packing, whatever, crud out of the way. Make sure it doesn't get caught by the wind, so just stick that there. Oh wow, they covered up in bubble wrap too. Thank you to the seller who packaged this quite well. Kind of like a... Holy cow, they really did this good. I have good news. We did not get the one with damage because there was a little damage from one of them. How are we going to do this? Let's see. Let me set the camera real quick. Go. Set this box down here and kind of unwrap this. This is from the American Muscle series of Ertl. I have to like flip it. 1996. Holy cow, they used a lot of bubble wrap. But here it is, and wow, this looks very nice. First impressions? So after we get all this stinking bubble tape out of here, there we go. Okay, yeah, that's quite nice actually. So it's actually really good condition. Doesn't have any smells. Occasionally you'll have some ones with like smoke or cigarette smells, but it's not bad. Wow, that's surprising. Plastic's in amazing condition. It's not coming down. The cardboard's still hold together. No damage, water damage, nothing. Oh, it's still originally sealed too. Nice. Pause the radio and kind of read that. Introduced to the public in September 26, 1966 as a 67 model. Huh. It's kind of a history thing about the Camaro, and get into some of the specs with the engine and stuff like that. I mean, if I want to be really, really picky, there's a little nick here, but I really don't care about that because this is from 1996, I believe. We can check that in a little bit, but here you go. This is the Z28 trim, which came with the V8. Yeah, so there's the teal Camaro convertible. Still has the shipping strap still on it. Very, very nice. Oh, it actually was made in 1995. Interesting. I believe Ertl doesn't make... They might still be in business, I'm not 100% sure, but I know they don't make 1/18 scale cars anymore. Collector's Edition, American Muscle. There you go. This is a very cool model. Oh, it has like a saddle or brown interior. That's nice. There's your Z28 logo right there. So yes, so first impressions, very, very good condition, amazing condition for the age. Honestly, I mean, what is it now? 2023, 1995. So 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 28 years old. This is a 28-year-old model, and it's still in perfect condition, really. So wow, this is a very, very cool looking car in my opinion. I know some people hate it, like I mentioned, but I like it, with chrome wheels. Yeah. I don't believe any other manufacturer made a 1996 Camaro Z28 apart from Ertl, and definitely not in teal. This is definitely a period correct color, but very neat. So I'm very glad with this model so far. Detail wise, it looks pretty good. But of course, the review will definitely have my final opinion on that. So definitely stay tuned for that. You'll definitely see that in the coming week or so, a couple days, 4 or 5 days. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, and hit the like button if you definitely helps out the videos if you enjoyed. And a lot more content to come with unboxings, hunting videos for Hot Wheels, and real car reviews. I have some surprises like I've mentioned, and they will be coming soon. But yeah, so yeah. Put in the comments down below what you think of this Ertl Camaro. What do you think about the 1996 model or this generation? And do you like this or do you not? Because I know people have mixed opinions on this 96 Camaro. So yeah. And would you rather have the convertible or the hardtop? Also put that in the comments down below. So I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.